Hello everyone, so we're going to take micro shots on our Xiaomi Redmi Note 13. First of all, you're to keep in mind that this phone doesn't have any micro lens, so it won't work. However, I recommend you opening up your camera application, press on more, press on Pro, and here you can adjust a lot of settings like your manual focus, so you can choose it from manual right to automatic, white balance. You can choose ultra wide lens and wide lens, adjust your ISO, EBU, so actually put on some filters, a lot of things. So you can use up zoom, which works kind of good in this mode, right? And it can kind of recreate the micro mode in some way, but basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.